Welcome to NYC Now, your source for local news in and around New York City from WNYC. It's Friday, May 9th. Here's the morning headlines from Michael Hill.
New York finally has a state budget more than a month after its due date. State lawmakers put the finishing touches on the $254 billion state spending plan late last night. Republicans criticized a plan that's $17 billion more than last year's budget, but Democratic Governor Kathy Hochul says it's worth it.
I think this is all money that is really well spent, and these are investments that have been long overdue. It's time to do them now.
The new budget calls for the state sending checks up to $400 to millions of New Yorkers. It'll also prohibit students, though, from using smartphones in schools during the day, starting in September. Health officials say 3 new measles cases have been confirmed in Orange County, about 70 miles north of New York City. That brings the state's total to 7 so far this year. WNYC's Julia Haywood has more.
The state health department says the infected children are all under 5 and recently traveled abroad. Officials say there's no link to other U.S. outbreaks and no sign of community spread. Still, State Health Commissioner Dr. James McDonald says measles is highly contagious and vaccination is critical. He says there's no specific treatment for measles and it is easily preventable. Measles cases are rising globally and in the U.S., including in states like Texas and New Mexico. New Yorkers are urged to check their vaccination status and consult their doctors.
Prosecutors say they've charged 20 people in one of the most prolific auto theft rings in New York City in the past decade. NYPD Commissioner Jessica Tisch says the Queens operation stretched far beyond city limits.
This wasn't a crew of one-off thieves. This was a sophisticated criminal enterprise with defined roles and a clear hierarchy.
Investigators say the crew stole 126 vehicles valued at more than $4 million. They've arrested 16 suspects so far in New York and Tennessee. 2 others were already in custody at Rikers and another in Nassau County. 2 suspects remain on the run this morning. 58 and cloudy now, high of 62 today.
Thanks for listening. This is NYC Now from WNYC. Check us out for updates every weekday, 3 times a day for the latest news headlines and occasional deep dives. And subscribe wherever you get your podcasts.
NYC.